I've been wearing these out every year or two. These aftermarket ones seem pretty thin, flimsy. They actually had one in advance. I had to ask them to look in their HTC section, which is an overstock. Most of them won't look for it and tell you they have it. It doesn't even look up on their computers. I've tried before in another store too. And GM only has it with a clutch pedal. Get the Toyota one, because they did have this one, but the Toyota one is thicker. It's got more edging. It goes around, more overlap. As you can see here, it's more overlapped, so it fits over the pedal more and sunlight. And if you stick the top on first, it's slightly a little tighter, which is what you want. Stick the top on first. Always stick the bigger end on, and you can slide the front. I used no tools to put that on. Part number is 20723. It is 1968 to 2007 Toyota. So it's a little thicker too. It seems to be. Yeah, it actually is a little bit. So here's your little short clutch pedal kit for Chevy, Cobalt, or Pontiac G5. Thank you for watching.